Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to share products on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the site, blog, product, community, email, audience and sales. And in the top right corner, we have your messages and your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and share products on Podia. So sharing your products on Podia is a great way to promote your offerings and reach a wider audience. So go to your products in the top right, on the top side corner, click all products and then choose the product that you want to actually go and share. So you can either go in it now to check out is everything all right and all of that, and go to the top right corner, click here, and here you have the share product where you can go and of course click share product and easily share it. So you have the page link here. Or you can easily do that if you know that everything is okay. Click on the three dots here and then click share it, which will do the same thing for you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until the next video, bye guys.